3B.
सर कंप्युटर छापून दिल्ल्या प्रमाणे उत्तर म्हणजे
Sir, question also asa whether the permission of construction of houses of leaseholders originally belonging to court receiver Sociedad Agregal dos Gaunkaris des Kunkolim e Baroda.
प्रश्न वाचू नका तो.
न्ही सर सेम असो प्रश्न आसतो पूण तातूंत भितर कितें जालें सर स्पीकर सर ही जमीन आसती कोर्ट रिसिवर आनी सोशेदाद आग्रिकोला दे गांवकारीश थंय अशें जालां हाजे पयलीं कन्वर्शन जातालें पूण आतां कन्वर्शन जायना आनी टावन प्लॅनिंग हो प्लॅन पास करनात हाजे अशें जाता की खुबशे लोक इलिगल घर बांदतात आनी तातूंत रेव्हेन्यू म्युनिसिपालिटीक मेळना गव्हर्मेंटाक मेळना पूण हाजेर कितें तरी उपाय काडून लोकांक लिगली घरां रावपाचें मातशें हें करूंक जाय स्पीकर सर थंय जवळ जवळ 50% जागो ह्या संस्थे कडेन आसा आनी तांणी लीज केल्यात हाजेर म्हाका सोल्युशन जाय की लोकांक लिगली रावपा खातीर
ठीक आहे सर हो प्रश्न विचारला टाउन प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंटाला whether the permissions for construction of houses of leaseholders originally belong to court receivers stroke Sociedad Agricola dos Gauncares de Concoli e Veroda in Concoli municipal area are banned. उत्तर तेका नो सर. हो टाउन प्लॅनिंग उत्तर मागला म्हणून हो नो सर आन्सर येयला. हो तर रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटाक अंडर लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोण विचारलेलो जाल्यार कडेन प्रश्न सुटावे जावं येतालो म्हाज्या अंदाजान. तेन्ना टाउन प्लॅनिंगाक रॉंग डिपार्टमेंटाक प्रश्न विचारलो की उत्तरूय चुकीचें काय येतलें का तेका लागून हो प्रश्न जर सुटना टाउन प्लॅनिंगा कडेन टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचें बंधन कसलेंच ना बंधन आहा तें दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटाचें म्हणटच हो विशय तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता आमच्या डिमांड्साच्या टायमार तेन्ना विशय काडपा जावो तेन्ना हेका सोल्युशन दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करया आता.
आम्ही पुढल्या प्रश्नाकडे या. श्री विश्वजित राणे.
Speaker sir, I would like to ask question number C.
4C.
स्पीकर सर कंप्युटर छापले प्रमाणे हेजे उत्तर
Speaker sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister is this service which we started 108, do you think it should be operated as a life-saving service or a bus service between different hospitals?
स्पीकर सर ही 108 सर्वीस आहा ती एमर्जन्सी कॉल अटेंड करता पूण खूब फाटी कितें जाता सब सेंटर जावं प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आहा पळय कम्युनिटी हेल्थ ते मागयता ती म्हणटकूच ते ना म्हणू शकना 108 आहा पळय ते ना म्हणू शकना कोण एमर्जन्सी कॉल केलो की ना तेंचे कर्तव्य आसता सर्वीस दिवपाक. आतां डिपार्टमेंटा जर तेजो गैरउपयोग करता ते करेक्शन करपा जाय.
Because Honorable Mantran माझं उत्तर देऊ ना. I just want a very clear-cut answer. Do you believe this is a life-saving service or it's a bus service?
म्हणजे उत्तर आयलं नाही तर.
Because sir, 108 is an emergency service.
I only want to know his view.
It is an emergency service. Is mostly 99% used for emergency services.
तुमका कितें विचारपाचें आसा तें विचार.
विचारलं नाही पहिलो प्रश्न विचारलो आहे.
ताचे उत्तर दिलें ना.
बरोबर दुसरा प्रश्न विचारता. Speaker sir, I want on this life-saving initiative of 108 was started to save lives of people. Here I just want to draw your attention is because there were trained personnel put on the 108 when the 108 started. Out of those trained personnel who were specially brought in from EMRI Hyderabad, how many such trained personnel still exist on these ambulances and what is the type of training you have given the present staff and the duration of that training?
Speaker sir, माझे कडेन प्रश्न मागलेलो पळय तेजी उत्तरान दिलें. आतां तेजो बारीक प्रश्न की ओरिजिनल लोक पळय आमचे कडेन दिल्ले पळय तितूंतले कितके उरले पळय तो
Speaker sir, I will make the life simple.
सर्वीस आहा पळय ती आउटसोर्सरली सर्वीस.
Speaker sir, this is not, I am drawing honorable
आमची सर्वीस न्हय
attention.
108
is the reason is the reason. I'll make his life simpler. Not a single person who was trained exists. Though you may be outsourced, it directly comes in the Ministry of Health. The Director of Health Services is supposed to monitor the service. I'm asking it for a particular reason. The reason is very simple, is this untrained personnel cannot save lives of the people. So my request to the Honorable Minister today is that untrained professionals and untrained people have been posted on those life-saving initiatives. You can no longer call it a life-saving initiative. My request is to you is that 15 people were trained by spending 45 to 50 lakhs of rupees. We have trained advanced paramedics who are in a better position to intubate the patients and save lives. As of today, Honorable Speaker, there's not a single ECG machine because those boys can't read ECGs. There's not a single person on that who's trained like the people who were trained from the first batch of EMRI. And I was fortunate, actually, there was a tussle going on between Honorable Prime Minister of the country when he was the Chief Minister asking for that same batch, but we were lucky because we had already got into an agreement. He is the one who's taking all the batches to Gujarat, and we got the first batch, luckily more than 70% of those students to Goa. Today they don't exist. Will you give me a commitment, this is my second supplementary, is that those 15 people, Goan origin, who we wanted to create a force of advanced paramedics, will you consider taking them back? Today you have terminated them. They are not on the ambulances. What is the use of this? You may call it life-saving initiative. It's not a life-saving initiative if the trained personnel is not on the board. You need to take a ECG, defibrillator, ventilator, everything is provided there. So will you give me a commitment whether these trained personnel who have been trained by the health department has financed their education, will you use them on the ambulances? Is my second supplementary.
स्पीकर सर, हे जे लोक टर्मिनेट जाल्या म्हणटा ते हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान तांकां टर्मिनेट करूंक ना. तेंचो एग्रीमेंट तेंच्या मालकां कडेन आहा आनी तेंचे प्रॉब्लमा खातीर तेंकां कडेन एखादा टर्मिनेट जाल्ले आहा. पूण जे भाशेन रूप दाखयता की ही एमर्जन्सी सर्वीस आहा ते लोकांच्या उपयोगाची ना ते मान्य करपाक हांव तयार ना.
Speaker sir, I would like to contradict the Honorable Minister.
लायफ सेव जाता हेतून.
I am not here putting any question. My concern and passion for 108 is tremendous. I am only saying that Goa government has spent 45 to 50 lakhs on these boys. We signed a bond with them that 2 years they'll be with us. Now without those guys on the life-saving initiative, how can you justify to me that this is a life-saving initiative without trained personnel? That is what I am asking. I am asking you to make it more effective.
स्पीकर सर, हो विषय घेतला पळय तो ताका म्हत्व आहा ना न्हू, पूण तरी आसतना सर्वीस बरी चलता. खुबशा लोकांच्या जिवनान ताका फायदो जाल्लो आहा. आमचे चडशे गरजो आहा पळय त्यो एक्सिडेंटाचे चड गरजो आहा. आनी जंय मागीर गोंयांत म्हाका दिसता नंबर 1 स्टेट आख्या हिंदुस्थानान जे कडेन एक्सिडेंट जातात आनी 108 ही खूब मदत करता पेशंटाक ताबडतोब हॉस्पिटलान व्हरपाक आनी तेंचे लायफ सेव करपाक. तरी आसतना जो बाब विश्वजीत राणे म्हणटा पळय ताका म्हत्व आहा जे प्रश्न, तितून खऱ्यांनी ट्रेंड लोक घालपाक गावत जाल्यार खूब बरें जातलें. पूण प्रश्न कितें आसता, ही आउटसोर्स जाल्ली कंपनी तेंचे एम्प्लॉयमेंट कशें करचें, आमचे एग्रीमेंट आहा तेंचे कडेन, पूण तरी आसतना तेंची झगडी जायत आसतात खूब विशयांचेर. फाटल्या दिसांनी ते स्ट्रायकार गेल्ले.
Speaker sir.
म्हयनोभर ते स्ट्रायकर आसले. तो विशय आमी सोडयलो आनी तांकां कामार परत घेतले. पूण तेंचे प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसता, ते आपल्या पॅरामिटर प्रमाणे काम चलयतात आनी तांकां आमी डिक्टेट करूं शकना तुमी अमकेच करा म्हणून.
Speaker sir.
हे अडचणी येता.
Speaker sir, Honorable Minister is getting confused. Honorable Minister has, this is my second supplementary, I have not asked my
नो
third.
क्वेश्चन प्रश्न काल सोंपलो. आमी शून्यकाला कडेन या.